Hello guys, welcome to another fixing video, and here we have a Pureit RO, a 5 years old Pureit RO. The problem with this RO is the switch, the power on of switch, this is broken. So this is a touch switch. So when I touch it, it turned on and it's on. So it's not working, it's broken. So today in this video we'll open it and try to fix it. So let's do it guys. So guys, here on the top we have two clips, one. Another one is this side. Press it to open the RO. So now the RO is open. Now we can disconnect it. So open the water pipe. Now here we have another wire connector. Now the front panel is disconnected. So guys, here is the RO front panel that we removed from the RO machine, and here is the switch, the broken switch that isn't working. So the back side, you can see here we have 4 screws, 1 2 3 4. So we need to open it. To access the charge switch, so let's remove all 4 screws one by one. So all of the 4 screws are unscrewed. And here we have the switch. So guys, here is the front display panel with touch switch. Now we going to open it. So here we have some clip. So here we have 5 clips. There is no screws, so we just easily open it using our bare hand. So that's open, and here as you guys, we have a whole big PCB. Now we have 4 screws here too, so we need to unscrew these 4 screws. So I disassembled the board from this cover. So here is the front. You see there's lots of LEDs, and this is the switch. You need to touch it to turn this R1. Because of it's broken from here. So this spring goes inside this hole, and here we have a metal connector. So guys, the way this starts work is this spring go inside this hole, this upper hole, and here we have a metal connector. Let me turn on the LED. So here inside we have a metal connector that's connect with the spring, and from there we have a touch sensor here, but it's broken. That's the reason the touch is not working. So what you're going to do, you're going to connect a wire with this spring and take the wire out from this hole and put it here somewhere using some sellotape or something like that. That when you touch it, it will turn on the RO. Now let's connect this board with this RO. This is the connector. Okay, it will go like this, I think. Okay, as soon as connected, it's turned on, and this is the touch switch, this spring. You see, if you turn it on, you can see water will flow from here. So turn off, just turn on, turn on, turn off. So as you see guys, the switch is working. Now let's unplug it and we'll do some jugaad to fix it. Now guys, we're going to solder a wire here on the switch. And we're going to use this metal washer as our touch switch. So we'll place our metal washer as a touch switch here, and we'll solder the wire with this wire, this red wire. Now guys, we're going to fix this touch switch here. And to fix it, we're going to use a little bit super glue. Next guys, we're going to connect this wire with this wire. Now the switch is attached. Now we'll put back everything together. Now let's put the cover. Now guys, let's give it a test. So we'll plug it here and turn on the switch. It's working. Now let's see whether this switch work or not. Now, okay, water is dropping. Turn on, turn on, turn off. So it's working. Now let's put it where it originally belongs to. Place it here and screw it. Now this is guys how easy it is to fix a broken arrow touch switch. It's working properly. Every time I touch it works. So as you see guys, the arrow switch is working properly without any problem. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this fixing video. If you guys like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video, and I will meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.